So, should we flog the dog or should we keep it? Welcome back to Now We Drive, and today, very short video on this Fiat 500. Gonna go over the bits and pieces, have a look under the car. Shot this video yesterday, so anyone with their continuity hat on, sorry about that, but that's just the way it is sometimes. So I'd love to get your feedback, so please, like always, subscribe down there. I think I'm going to put it, subscribe, and you know, put your notifications on, etc. But let's have a quick look. So as you can see, this is the main area of damage. I think this is, besides a little bit of plastic work just here, now this is snapped off, this bit. I'm not sure, pull that out a little bit. That's obviously stuck in there with one of the, I've taken this bumper off before, so yeah, that needs to be addressed. Does it need a new front bumper though? I don't think it does. I think you might be able to save that actually. We'll see. Front wing's gone, as we can see. It's completely buggered. But besides that, obviously it's very dirty, I'm going to wash it in a bit, but besides that, the car is properly straight. There is literally nothing wrong with it. And I think once you get the old pressure washer on it, it could be rather interesting. The engine is, it's a brand new battery. The engine is pretty clean actually. It runs fine. Unfortunately, I tried to start it up a little while ago off camera, but the battery was dead. It's been sitting here for probably 10 days now without being touched. So that needs to be looked at. I've got some jump leads. I'll get it started up. I'm sure this battery's fine. As I say, it looks pretty new. I'm not sure what this one is. This Super Easy. Any idea what that is? Align arrow with the front of the vehicle. What is that? Anyone any ideas? Yeah, interesting. Never seen that before. Yeah. Anyway, the bit that I was having a look at again off camera, I just jacked it up and stuck a small ramp under it. If we have a get under here, oh Jesus! Right, don't know if you can see this, but there's the steering rack, and it's completely snapped just here. Now I would imagine, or I wouldn't imagine, I'm gonna have to take this cross member off, or mini subframe or something. This is gonna have to come off along with the wishbone. And is there anything on that side? I don't know. Not done anything like this before, but I'm not sure how difficult a job it will be. But the wishbone looks absolutely fine, and it's just on the impact that it's just broken the broken this. So, and the steering rack I've just checked online, and 90 quid for a new steering rack complete for this particular model. So it's not expensive to get done, and given how much I pay for the car, it looks fine. I'm no expert, but I'm no Fiat expert as well. But it looks pretty tidy underneath. Yeah, it looks pretty tidy. Now I'm just looking. Let's have a look more under this. Let me get my camera a bit further in down. There's the rest of the steering rack. Would that just, if you undid both ends here of the steering, oh, where am I going? Hold on. Yeah, just here. Trying to get it out of the light. So if I undo this, now take that out. Would that just fall straight out of here? I don't know, but it's worth having a look. So once I get it started up properly, I will. Oh, one point I did want to make. Now, if you bought Fiat 500s before from Copart, I've now got two, and I'm 0 for 2 when it comes to locking wheel nuts. Now, I'm just looking at this one here. Peculiar, because they're kind of a star nut or a torque or something like that. And what's in the boot, which is, oh, let me get up, which is this, is a standard brace. So, and there's no, I've checked it all around the car, and there is no locking wheel nut. And the same for my my white one, which again, we'll have another video about the white one, but again, this one, no locking wheel nut. Bizarre. So what do you think? Now, since having a look round, I cheekily put it up on Facebook on the marketplace for, I think, £1,000, and I've had loads of people contacting me in regards to that. So I'm still in two minds. If I get £1,000 for it, fantastic. I'll just let them tow it away, let them get on with it, because as I say, my drive's still pretty full, and we'll see how it goes. But I'll give you an update next time. So once again, thank you for joining us here on Now We Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and notifications, blah blah blah, and hope to see you again real soon.